You're hitting the gym, pushing your limits, but something's holding you back. It's sugar. Let's dive into 7 shocking ways sugar is sabotaging your workout. First, sugar hijacks your energy levels. That pre-workout sugar rush? It's setting you up for failure. The rapid spike in blood glucose is followed by an equally rapid crash, leaving you fatigued mid-workout. Your body, flooded with insulin, struggles to access stored fat for energy, compromising your endurance and performance. Second, sugar impairs muscle recovery. High sugar intake increases inflammation in your body, slowing down muscle repair and growth. This means longer recovery times and reduced gains from your efforts. The excess insulin also inhibits human growth hormone, crucial for muscle development and fat burning. Third, sugar dehydrates you. For every gram of carbohydrate stored, your body retains about 3 grams of water. This can lead to bloating and discomfort during exercise. Moreover, the insulin spike from sugar intake causes your kidneys to retain more sodium, further disrupting your body's fluid balance. This dehydration effect can persist even outside of workout sessions, affecting your overall health and well-being. Fourth, sugar compromises your immune system. A high sugar diet can suppress your immune function for hours after consumption. This leaves you more susceptible to illness and infection, potentially sidelining you from your workout routine. This immune suppression can have far-reaching effects beyond just your workout performance, impacting your overall health and daily life. Fifth, sugar accelerates aging in your body. The process of glycation, where excess glucose binds to proteins in your blood, creates harmful molecules called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs damage collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging of skin and joints, making you more prone to injury during workouts. This accelerated aging process doesn't just affect your appearance, but can also impact internal organs and overall cellular health. Sixth, sugar disrupts your hormonal balance. Chronic high sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, throwing your entire endocrine system out of whack. This affects everything from your metabolism to your mood, potentially sabotaging your motivation and consistency in working out. The hormonal imbalance can also lead to increased fat storage, particularly around the midsection. Lastly, sugar addiction can derail your fitness goals. The dopamine hit from sugar can be as addictive as some drugs, creating a cycle of cravings and overconsumption. This not only adds empty calories to your diet, but can also lead to emotional eating, undoing the hard work you've put in at the gym. The addictive nature of sugar can spill over into other areas of life, affecting work performance, relationships, and overall quality of life. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial. Sugar isn't just empty calories, it's actively working against your fitness goals. It's compromising your energy, recovery, hydration, immune function, cellular health, hormonal balance, and even your willpower. The sugar hiding in your sports drinks, protein bars, and post-workout snacks could be the very thing standing between you and your fitness goals. By recognizing these hidden saboteurs, you can make informed choices that align with your health and fitness objectives.